Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have these USB-C cameras and they have USB-C plugs, but then it goes to a USB plug. But I wanted to stretch it all the way down here, so it's like I needed to get 10-foot extender cables, and I got these long cables, but they were only USB-C to USB-C. So then I found these. Look at this. This is USB-C to USB adapter, because when I connected it up into a USB-C plug, it was putting out too much power, so it wouldn't run. It had too much power going to it. I guess it has to be a lower dosage of electricity. So I got these. So we're gonna plug it into this. I actually used one already in there, but I'm gonna plug this one into one too, here, and then we will have it working correctly. So that's kind of the plan here. So there we go. Now I'm gonna plug this into here. If I can get it in there with one hand, right that way. There we go. So now everything's working off of a dual plug and we're good. So definitely good, thumbs up.